Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to use Cash App loans. So let's start. Following these steps, surely you will do it. So let's go to the first step. Remember that Cash App is not available in all the regions like is my case, but I sure that if you follow this step you will do it. So first is launch the Cash App on your mobile device, and then let's go to money section. Tap money icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then in the more ways to add money menu, tap and borrow. Number 4, unlock borrow. Tap unlock to see if you are eligible for a loan. If you are eligible, you will see the amount you can borrow. Then select the amount you want to borrow. Select a payment plan, that's number 6, choose your payment plan. That's it, pay back over 4 weeks all at once. Then review loan details. Review your loan details terms, including the flat fee, like the 5%, and the finance charge, 1.25%. Then the number 8 is confirm the loan. Tap borrow instantly, confirm and receive the funds immediately. Number 9, the borrow amount will be added to your Cash App balance. And number 10, make sure to repay the loan according to your chosen repayment plan to avoid additional fees. So if you follow these steps as I told you, probably you will do it and you will learn how to use the loans on Cash App. Remember, you can download Cash App on App Store, Play Store, depending on your region. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.